Okay, so all these images right here are pulled out of background noise. I'll show you the image I got them from in a second. But they play out like colorful cartoon comic book thoughts. I don't know. I mean, this was an effect I was going for, but I was not expecting this. Alright. I realize it's just background noise, but there's a lot going on here. So here's what I do. I get an image like this, and I just usually just auto. Nope, so auto's not going to do it on this one, so I got to do one that'll make it a little brighter and bring it out. Sure. And then I'll hit auto on this. You got the all-seeing eye up there. I mean, this is a mirrored image also, by the way. Alright, another one. Let's hit the auto. This is mirrored. Some of them just don't want to take it. Again, all these ones with the symmetry are mirrored images. I mean, some pretty wild background noise, huh? Look at this guy. I mean, you zoom in, and it's the ghosty fog lines like in any shot of darkness, but I put a little extra into this. I'll get to the original picture in a second. And I got more on the way, so definitely stay tuned. So here's just the background noise, just a screenshot of this. So this is all the way zoomed in on from the original picture, and it's just busy. I put a little magnifying lens on the screen, and it makes it a lot easier to pull stuff out. I mean, what the hell? And they'll progressively get darker. You know, so that's what I was looking at initially, just going, what the heck? And I zoomed in and cropped and zoomed, and yeah. No, I had a bunch of paint laying around, and I spilled it on a canvas, and this is what came out. And I live on a globe. Huh. I mean, what the shit, man? I mean, I've never seen background noise this colorful or with so much going on. So this is one of this image is what I mirrored to give you the other ones with the symmetry. And there's just so much going on here. This is proof that we live in the Matrix. Not a simulation. Programmed reality. Reality had to come from somewhere. We didn't just walk from dust and meteors and an explosion. We need to get off the globe, y'all, because it's so detrimental to our world society, and believe that we were destined for a lot more than live in a free country where everything costs and you have no liberties or freedoms to do whatever you want without rules, regulation, or threat of punishment and fine, you know? These things having a war? Are they having a yard sale? Are they doing a fucking flash mob? I don't know. Are these things alive somewhere, a parallel dimension? Is this a dream? Has anybody else seen background noise like this? I highly doubt it, because I got my little tricks of the trade. Hell yeah. Yeah. I get nauseous looking at this, so yeah. Alright. So let's go to the original picture, and it's one of these two. It's not this one, but I'll just show you. So this is what I was going for. Something like this. Just reflection over reflection. This dragon crystal thing I got for $1 at the thrift store. And those are, this thing's rectangular shaped, and those are phones behind it, reflecting back, but a black mirror. That apparently has something to do with this effect. So here is the picture that I got all that from. And here's the background noise. It's all this. It's all this. And I just took screenshots and zoomed and added filters. And I had a little extra going on in the background. I have a rainbow projector. Thrift store. What the hell? Thing's cool. Projects a rainbow across your whole room. You look at it, it hurts your eyes. It's badass. And apparently it produces results like this when you apply it to a 3D etched crystal with fucking black mirrors in the back. I don't know if anyone else knows about this. Let me know.